afternoon, petecurians. Today, I'll be teaching you on how to prepare the brown sauce, or more likely on how to hack the brown sauce. This episode is very important because I know many of you want to prepare your own steak at home, but haven't got a clue on how to prepare the sauce to go along with it. So, if you like, subscribe to this channel first, and then we'll get cracking. Let's go. Two shallots, 30 ml of red wine, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 200 ml of beef stock. Slice your shallots. On a hot pan, add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in your shallots when the oil is hot enough and gently sweep them. A pinch of salt to speed up the process. Once the shallots have softened, add in the red wine and let it reduce. Once the red wine has reduced, you can continue by adding in your beef stock. Bring it to the boil. Then add in 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Followed by 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Mix them well. Then leave it to reduce. Once it has reduced enough, carry on by adding a teaspoon of unsalted butter. Mix well until the butter has fully melted. Transfer your sauce in a sauce boat and prepare your steak. Oh, do tuck in, don't be shy. Wasn't it? Easy peasy. So that's your base sauce. Add a little sauté mushroom to it and you got mushroom sauce. Add a little sauté onions on it and you get onion sauce. Taste some black peppercorn and add it to it and you get black pepper sauce. And add a little bit of sprinkled rosemary instead and you get rosemary sauce. That's your base sauce. Now you can show off a bit in the kitchen. Be a bit confident, will you? And that's basically it for today. Like and subscribe to this channel, leave me a comment, let me know how it works for you. The sauce, any problem, just let me know. Right now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Cheerio. Bye bye.